Good everyone, my name is Okubi Bethel and I am in SS1 class. I'm here to defend my project which is based on the subject biology, and I'm going to be dealing with the topic microorganisms around us. Now, biology can be defined as the study of life and living organisms, understanding their structure, function, distribution and growth. It helps us to understand how living systems interact with each other and their environment, ranging from large visible organisms down to the smallest microscopic entities. Now, while biology studies the large visible animals and plants, the vast majority of life on Earth exists at a microscopic scale. Therefore, a microorganism or a microbe can be defined as any living organism that cannot be seen with the naked eye unless with the use or the aid of a microscope. Now, microorganisms can either be single-celled or have complex multicellular structures, and they can carry out all essential life processes including metabolism, reproduction, and adaptation. Now, we have the types of microorganisms. We have one, bacteria. Bacteria can be defined as single-celled organisms that lack a nucleus, meaning that they are prokaryotic. They can be found in almost every environment on Earth, and they come in different shapes. Then we have what we call fungi. Fungi can be defined as eukaryotic organisms, that means they have a nucleus. Eukaryotic organisms that includes multicellular modes and single-celled yeasts. Now, they are also known as nature's primary decomposers. We have virus. Virus can be defined as non-cellular particles that consist only of genetic material inside a protein coat, which we call a capsid. Now, viruses are not considered to be fully alive because they require a host cell in order to be able to reproduce. We have what we call protozoa. Protozoa can be defined as simple single-celled animal-like organisms that have a nucleus. They are mobile, live in moist environments, and also hunt other microbes for food. And we have microscopic algae. Now, this can be defined as plant-like organisms that contain chlorophyll. They use photosynthesis to turn sunlight into energy, thereby producing a large amount of the world's oxygen. Now, the core concept of microorganisms around us, this includes ubiquity and diversity. Now, ubiquity, when I say something is ubiquitous, meaning that it is everywhere, it can be found everywhere. Now, when we say microorganisms are ubiquitous, meaning that they can be found in almost every environment on Earth, in the soil, in the air, in the water, on the surfaces we touch, and even in our own human body, which is what we call the human microbiome. Now, without the microorganisms, a lot of things on Earth will not be able to exist. Now, we have what we call diversity. When we say something is diverse, meaning it is different. So when we say microorganisms are diverse, meaning that even though they are invisible to the naked eye and cannot be seen without the use of a microscope, they still have different structures, ranging from the single-celled organisms that lack a nucleus, that's bacteria, to the complex multicellular structured organisms that have the nucleus, that's including the fungi, protozoa, and algae, to the non-cellular particles that contain genetic material inside their protein coat, which is virus. Now, the advantages of microorganisms: they help us in food production, they help us in making medicine, and also help us in healthcare. They help us in environmental cleanup, and they help us in human digestion. Now, we have the disadvantages or the negative effects of microorganisms. Now, they give us infectious diseases, they contribute to food spoilage, they cause agricultural damage, and they also contaminate our water. Thank you.
What instrument is used to view microorganisms? Since you said that they cannot be seen with our optical eyes, what instrument can be used to see it or to view it?
Microscope.
Alright, mention 4 types of microorganisms.
Microorganisms. We have bacteria, fungi, algae, and protozoa.
What about virus?
Yes, it's also a type, but you said I should mention 4. Yes, sir.
Tell us more about bacteria.
Now, bacteria can be defined. When I say bacteria, I mean like organisms that have only one cell. That means, and when we say something has one cell in biology, meaning that it is prokaryotic. So bacteria only has one cell, and they come in different shapes, like cocci. They also come in bacilli too, and other shapes. They can be found in almost every environment.
Clap for her. Tell us more about protozoa.
Protozoa. Now, these are single-celled animal-like organisms, meaning that they behave like animals, somehow like that. So they have a nucleus, meaning that they are eukaryotic. They are mobile, meaning that they move around. They hunt other microbes for food. So that means they can be found in almost every environment too.
Can microorganisms be found in the air?
Microorganisms, yes sir, they can be found in air. So microorganisms can be found in the air.
Can they be found in the water?
Yes sir.
Can they be found in the soil?
Yes sir.
Can they be found in our bodies?
Yes sir, that's the human microbiome.
Can they also be found in foods? I mean in food.
Yes sir.
They can be found in food.
Yes sir.
Okay, give me other places microorganisms can be found.
Found in air, they can be found in water, they can be found in soil, and they can also be found in our human bodies too.
Can they be found in an extreme environment?
So no, they cannot survive. No sir, because they grow best in when they are in warm environments too.
Yeah, but they can also be found in an extreme environment. They can find microorganisms can be found in an environment that is extremely cold, very cold, and they can also be found in a place that's extremely hot and other depending.
Yes sir, some of them can survive, but most of them, okay, yes.
Why are microorganisms found everywhere?
Because they are ubiquitous.
What do you mean by ubiquitous?
Meaning that they are everywhere, they can be found in every environment.
That's what the why. So that's what I'm saying. So why are they found everywhere? Okay, because they are so small and they can adapt to every environment. Okay. What is mold? M-O-U-L-D.
Mold, yes, it is a type of, mold. This is is when microorganisms that come to attack something. How can I define it?
Mold is a kind of is a fungus that generally feeds from damp, environments. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What about yeast?
Yeast. Yeast is a fungi too. Yeast is a fungi too that can be used for making types of food like bread.
So mention 3 uses of microorganisms.
3 uses of microorganisms. They help us in food production. They help us in human digestion, and they also help us in environmental cleanup.
How can microorganisms help the environment?
They can be used in bread. They can be used in bread, that's yeast. They can be used in yogurt, that's the Lactobacillus bulgaricus. Yes, they can be used in. Yes, sir. Then they can also be penicillin. Yes, is medicine, and then the microorganism used in it is penicillin notatum.
Mention 3 diseases caused by microorganisms.
Disease is caused by microorganisms. Now, bacteria, we have cholera and tuberculosis. Cholera, tuberculosis, and typhoid fever all caused by bacteria.
What about cholera?
Cholera is caused by bacteria, yes sir. Tuberculosis too is caused by bacteria.
What about malaria?
Malaria is caused by protozoa.
How can harmful microorganisms be controlled?
Harmful microorganisms, how they can be controlled if they keep environments clean.
Proper hygiene?
Yes, proper hygiene, sanitation, waste disposal, vaccination, and Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Vaccination, then food preservation too.
Okay, that's proper handling of food.
Yes, sir. Food.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You have done well. Put your hands together for her.